Hey there, South Florida. Morning meteorologist Julie Durda. You ready for this Tuesday? It's a nice dry start, but that won't last for long. This in-house model pulls some showers, possibly by Key Biscayne around 9, 10 o'clock, and then more activity around 10 into the 11 o'clock hour. And then, of course, as the sea breeze does develop, that will erupt those showers and storms, allowing to trigger the daily heating of the day, the tropical wave to the south of us, and that moisture all in place, basically going to provide for another stormy afternoon. Heavy downpours will be possible by the afternoon. I wouldn't be surprised if poor drainage areas have to deal with the urban flood advisory, so keep that in mind. Until then, relax. Everything is okay. We're going to be dry and enjoy the dry weather because, as you heard me mention, rain will be returning to the forecast later this morning and into the afternoon. So in the tropics, we are tracking Tropical Storm Dawn. The system, a very compact system, intensifying as it's moving westward towards the westward to the windward islands, I should say. And then just east of that, we have an area we are watching that's a low pressure and a tropical wave combined together. Latest advisory, winds at 50 miles per hour, strength and overnight movement to the west at 18 miles per hour. Our friends in the windward islands will deal with the effects of tropical storm force winds and rain from this system as early as tonight. Models have it moving into the Caribbean, and we'll continue to watch it. That other area has a 40% chance of development. Make it a great day.